Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check and show you about abandoned cars, trucks, supercars, super motorbike, etc. So now let's check with me. I will start checking. The first one, everybody, the first one is a garbage truck, a garbage truck, a garbage truck. Super motorbike. This one is a cute super motorbike. A cute super motorbike. Another cute super motorbike. About this, bulldozer, 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 mini bulldozer, excavator. How about this one? Cement mixer, cement mixer. This one is a cement mixer truck. How about this? Monster truck, monster truck. Another cute bulldozer, another cute bulldozer. Monster truck, monster truck, monster truck, monster truck. Mini racing car. Supercar. This one is a cute supercar, green color. Another supercar. The next supercar. Road roller. This one is a road roller. Racing car. Cute airplane. Everybody, so now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.